Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. Children, this is your GK book, Wizcraft. Please take out your GK book, lesson number 1. Page 7. The name of the lesson is Geo Wonders. See the picture, the Himalayas. This is the picture of the Himalayas. They protect India from extreme cold winds blowing from the north. The Himalayan range is 2,400 kilometer long and is the 6th longest mountain range in the world. It separates the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. Mount Everest is in these Himalayan range. It is the highest peak. The Himalayan range passes through India, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China and Pakistan. Ganges and Indus River flow through these Himalayas. Next picture, this is of Gangotri Glacier. This Gangotri Glacier is the largest glacier in the Himalayan region. The holy river Ganga begins her long journey from here, giving life to millions of people. Now see the third picture, River Ganga. It is the second largest river on the Indian subcontinent. Ganga River got its name after the Hindu goddess Ganga and it is considered very sacred. Ganga River flows through India and Bangladesh, and in Bangladesh it is called River Padma. The water of River Ganga is very fertile and is used for agriculture purposes. It flows from North India and falls into Bay of Bengal. It is the second largest river on the Indian subcontinent. The water of Ganga River is called Ganga Jal and is considered as the most sacred water and used in various rituals. So children, all these notes I will be giving you in your homework app, and then we have to do question answers related to the notes I will give you. First, we will do fill in the blanks. Number 1, the Himalayas protect India from extreme cold winds blowing from the north or south. The answer is north. Number 2, the holy river Ganga begins from Sichuan or Gangotri Glacier. The answer is Gangotri Glacier. And the third, the Ganga is the largest river on the Indian subcontinent. It is the second largest river on the Indian subcontinent. Turn your page number 8. Freedom fighters. Men and women who fought for the freedom of our country are called freedom fighters. You all know this. Identify these freedom fighters and write down their names. Take help from the help box. The names are given here in the help box. A. Sarojini Naidu, B. Lala Lajpat Rai, C. Chandrasekhar Azad and D. Bhagat Singh. Now first picture. He is often referred to as Shahid. This picture is of Bhagat Singh. Now who was Bhagat Singh? He was a revolutionary hero of the Indian independent movement. He began to protest British rule in India while still a youth and soon fought for national independence. He popularized the catchphrase Inqilab Zindabad, which means long live the revolution. He was hanged to death at the age of 1824. Now see the second picture. He is popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He is Lala Lajpat Rai. He was an Indian freedom fighter and played a pivotal role in the Indian independence movement. He was popularly known as Punjab Kesari or the Lion of Punjab. What do you mean by Punjab Kesari? The Lion of Punjab. He was also a very good writer. Number 3 picture. She was known as the Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. She was a political activist and a poet. Her work as a poet earned her the title of Nightingale of India. And the last picture, number 4. He is popularly known as Azad, Chandrasekhar Azad. You can see the spelling from the help box. Chandrasekhar Azad was popularly known as Azad. He was the face of revolutionary India. He was the mentor of Bhagat Singh, and for his act of bravery after independence, Alfred Park in Prayagraj was renamed as Chandrasekhar Azad Park. Several patriotic films were also made that depicted the character of Chandrasekhar Azad, like in Rang De Basanti film, Amir Khan portrayed the character of Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad, he lived only for 25 years, but his role played in India's independence is not forgettable and inspired several Indians to take part in India's freedom struggle. Okay, now that is all for today. Children, please check your homework app. I will be giving you many notes. You have to do it in your GK copy, followed by question answers and fill in the blanks. Thank you.